3D printing technology has revolutionized the realm of jewelry design. From complex lace-like details to free-flowing natural forms and personalized inscriptions, this advanced technology has marked extraordinary strides of innovation in the jewelry sector. PioCrete offers a 3D printing solution for jewelry that combines two key elements, 3D printers as well as resin materials. Their synergy optimizes the manufacturing process, increasing its effectiveness, user-friendliness, and productivity. Lost wax castings that once seemed impossible are now achievable within our grasp. With our unconventional mold forms, we tread the path less taken and in turns enhance creative limits. During the prototyping phase preceding vast order production, our solution unravels endless feasibility.